All right. So today I'm going to show you how I made more than a $1,800 US dollar profit providing a web design service without even knowing how to build your own website. So before anything else, this is the quote I sent uh, to the person who asked for the quote to redesign his actual website. And first of all, I'm based in Montreal. We speak French and English, so I'm going to translate this for you. So basically, project cost $2,499 plus tax. So if you convert this in US dollar, it's $1,955. So what I did, once I got the quote request, I immediately sent the quote to the person, and they agreed to pay me the $2,500 Canadian money. So I went back in FIVERR.com, and I asked for a quote for the same website. And this is the delivery of the website, and this is the price I paid for the whole project. So if we go back now, 1,955 minus $126. So I made a total of $1,829 profit US dollar. And this is without even, I didn't even do the website myself. I did nothing else than I just gave them the same instruction I received from the client, and they did the whole thing. So I'm gonna show you the final result. So this is the website before, and this is the website after. So there's nothing impressive right there. This is a basic website with nothing special, and look how beautiful the result is with the new design that I got from Fiverr. So if you can see, this is a completely new website, beautiful website with call to action, testimonials, clients, logos, beautiful design. I got all this for $126. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I got this client from Google actually. So what I did, for example, if we type web design Miami, okay, we have a bunch of websites. We have ads and we have website right there. Okay. So these websites are local web design companies. So basically what you have to do is to create your own Google My Business account. This is free, by the way. And in another video, I'm gonna walk you through the process to create this Google My Business. It's pretty straightforward. You don't have nothing special to do. But I'm going to show you how you can optimize it in order to show up right there. So basically, they found me there. They saw my website, and then they contacted me for a quote. This is how I landed this client. So all you have to do, you go on Google and you type Google My Business. You click on the first one here, Google My Business. And this manage now, and then you go walk through. They will ask you for the address of your business. If you don't have any local, any place, any office, it's normal. You're just starting. Just put your own address. People doesn't really care about the address. They won't even visit you. I did all this contract without even seeing the owner. They just send me a bank transfer, so you can do the same. So now, um, one thing you will need, basically, obviously, all of them, you see they have a website. You will have to build your own website, but don't worry, I got you covered. You don't have to. It's not complicated to have your own website. In a previous video, I talked about this WordPress team, uh, creative agency by Templatic, and it's a beautiful website that you can just go and install on your own server. They will give you all this demo. All you have to do is to uh, replace the information with your own, and that's it. This is really simple, and you will need a domain name. This is, by the way, by this thing. Okay, so for one website is $59. So $59 to have this website installed on your own domain. And by the way, they have a coupon of 45%. So 45%, it's almost 50%. So you will pay only $30, around $30 to get this awesome template for your web agency. So now, another thing you will need is a domain name and a hosting account. I recommend SiteGround because this company is one of the only that are recommended by WordPress. They have a really great service, and it's only $9.99 per month. So if you get this plan, so I suggest this plan basically because this one allow you unlimited websites, and this one is only one website, because sometimes you will need multiple websites to manage your business. So I guess paying $3 more to have unlimited websites not a big deal. Obviously, if you want to be in business and you don't even have $150 to start, I would recommend you to find a regular job and save up $150 to start your own web-based business. So if you get this plan, all you have to do is to register a new domain. They charge you $16 per year. For example, this one, and then you fill all the information right there, and it's about $120, $10 per month, and plus you have your domain name, $15.95. So basically you will pay $135 plus around $30, so it's around $170 top. You will have your own web design business up and running. And I'm gonna share a link below to get your hosting with SiteGround. This is an affiliate link, but if you buy from my link, I'm going to give you this theme installed on your domain. I'm going even to install it for you and give you a tutorial how to edit the information and in order to put your own on this website. So this service, I'm just going to do it for my subscribers to help you get started as soon as possible. So if you buy through my link and shoot me an email, I'm gonna leave you the email in the comment below, and tell me that you bought from my link. I'm gonna verify that you really bought from my link, and then I will ask you for information, and then you will provide me how to get into your hosting, and I will install everything for you. All you will have to do is to edit the information and just put your own. All right, so this is to help you start. So basically, if I do a quick recap, You open your Google My Business account. All right. You put your information there. Then you ask. All right. You wait for quote request, and then once you have any quote request, you turn around and go and put and contact any web designer that are comfortable to build WordPress website, and then you get the best one that you can find, and then you collect a profit. That's it, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. This is the first video of 2021. By the way, I wish you a wonderful year filled of success for 2021. And this is the first video of many videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I will produce more videos now that I have more free time. Now, that being said, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have any question, leave them in the comment below and I will be glad to answer all of your questions. All right, guys, until the next video, take action. This is a wonderful time to have your business online. Having a web design business is easy. You can even post your ads on Craigslist and have quote requests from Craiglist as well. All right, guys, until next time, have a wonderful day.